Jnrpope. We're here to attend the service, annual service of Jnrpope. That's it. St. Peter's Cathedral. Okay. Here we are. So cheers. Cheers. It's Sunday. It's Sunday for me. So that's the place.
Excuse me, are you authorized to take photos? No phones?
Just looking at these pictures, I just kept on telling myself, God, you could have shown mercy. God, you could have had mercy. God, you could have poured mercy. At least one more chance, or at least this one last chance. God, I have seen you do this. You could have shown mercy. Just like you showed mercy to Lazarus, even after 4 days in the grave, you could have bestowed your mercy. Just like you showed mercy to the woman of Nain. This woman has lost hope, was just going to bury his only son, yet intervened. At the gate of the Nain, just a tip of your hand on the casket, the corpse inside the coffin was resuscitated. God, you could have considered these children. Even if you ignored the wife, you could have considered these children. The presence of the father in their life, on how this man has loved, cherished, and fathered these children. Yet, I am yet to fathom, to decipher your reason for just allowing Jnrpope to just die. Maybe it was his mistake not to wear the life jacket. Maybe it was his mistake not to be where he was at that time. But at least you could have spared his life. Shebi, he spared life of some. You could have included the life, his life, to the life of people you spared. In fact, I don't even know what else to say. Here, this is indeed true. This is when all the gossips, all the speculation pays out for reality. Yes, indeed, Jnrpope is dead, is late. Today, 17th of May 2024, is his burial. Yes, his burial. As you can see, the funeral rite is already ongoing at the church. You've seen Rubio Giaco crying hysterically. You have also seen the wife. You have also seen the children. In fact, I am just here to be updating you guys. No matter how I just cry and grieve, I will still update you guys. So if this is your first time ever coming across my channel, please do just click on the red icon down below to subscribe. Most importantly and very necessary, just turn on the notification bell, because I will be giving you guys back-to-back video about the burial, funeral, and every other thing. And also pray for them in the comment section. This is not the time, but you can as well give the video a huge thumbs up. Remember that I'm still your favorite entertainer with continuous entertainment, signing out. As I say, God, odigema oduromoma. If it is good and fine for you, God, to me it is not good. Like they will always say, give thanks in everything to God. In this particular one, Ajum Bible, I will not give thanks to God. But nevertheless, let the God's will be done. Amen.
Tata no ke hedi n'Enugu State anya bụ Amadi bụ Jnrpope alala mmụọ a na-aga ugbu a na St. Peter's Catholic Church dị na Okehe. ka akara ya ụka ọnwụ tupu adọba ya n'ala. N'anya ihu nwanne ya nwaanyị nọ n'ihu ya bụ ụgbọala, nwanne ya nwaanyị a na-akpọ Uju nọ n'ihu ụgbọala ahụ. Ada
onye mala amabeghị n'ala ọnwụ rieso swag nation abịarụ swag nation ala amabeghị nwanne.
ọ na-agbara ugbu a gosiri na ya bụ ozu abata na